Hey, how's it going guys? Welcome back to another video and something a little bit different for the channel. Today I'm joined by Luke, aka Hampshirephoto. Once again, he is filming a tax for rich style GTR slidey sort of video around the field. I'll let you explain that a little bit better.
So basically, obviously everyone watching this will know who Tax Rich is. They pretty much use cars properly around some private land and on fields and off-road basically.
Yeah.
And I've got the keys to the GTR. I thought I'd have a bit of fun on a grass runway that I have access to. So yeah, we don't really know how it's going to go, but we've got plenty of camera angles to make it as cool as possible. And pretty much this video is just the behind the scenes version of it.
Yeah, so yeah, exactly like you said, that summed it up pretty much perfectly. So yeah, we're just going to be filming a bit of behind the scenes and seeing what takes place in your video. So yeah, let's get to it.
See how it goes.
My lord, that kicked out. So things seem to be going quite well at the minute. We've been moving the car around to different positions throughout the estate. We've been doing a few flyby shots, all different things which you're going to be seeing in the video. Yeah, oh, that's something else as well. Make sure you head over to Luke's channel. God. Make sure you head over to Luke's channel to check out the full video, because that's where it's going to be.
And then I'll do another one here, I may as well.
So far, this is turning out to be one of the most fun videos I've ever filmed. I cannot believe how easy it is for that thing to get sideways. This is absolutely ridiculous. Luke's only slid it about 2 or 3 times and it's already started to go all the way up the side of the car. I'm so sorry for this GTR. Luke, what have you done? I think I might just record everything just to see what happens. Oh my... Ooh.
Right. I'll go to a bit which I haven't ruined yet.
I've ruined this field.
Right,
I'm so sorry. Turns out they're watching this video.
Yeah.
Yes, I think we should. It's absolutely filthy already.
Well deserved wash after this, I think.
You cleaned this before I came down this weekend.
I did, yeah.
Look at what you have done. Look at it! What is wrong with you?
Lots of things.
So this bit is going to be quite ridiculous. Luke is getting in the GTR. We've got the drone up somewhere directly above me. I'm not entirely sure if that's in shot, I can't even see. But yeah, he's about to drift round me. I'm not entirely sure if I feel safe right now. I'm never gonna get in a car with you again. This has been very, very entertaining. I'm never getting in the car with Luke again, that's for sure. But yeah, we're gonna head back and look at the clips which Luke has got so far. We might head back out and see what other clips he needs, like maybe get a few more. But for now, I think we're gonna finish up this video. But yeah, definitely check the description, make sure you head over to Luke's channel and check out the full video. Yeah, this has been very interesting. I really do hope you've enjoyed it. It's been a lot of fun to film. But yeah, make sure you leave a like on it if you have enjoyed it and subscribe to be notified of any uploads from me in future. Thanks for watching.